Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here right now at Samsung store Ayala branch, and today I was invited by Samsung to check out and explore the newest A80 nilang phone. So actually, I'm kind of nervous kasi may challenge tayo ngayong araw na to, and that is to have a photo shoot challenge within the Samsung store. And let's see if anong kalalabasan nito. Actually, I'm using right now a Samsung phone, not the camera, because wala. Kasi ito try natin, i-test natin yung quality ng Samsung phone for vlogging. So, hindi tayo naka-vlogging cam right now. So, actually, ready na ako? Let's go! Guys, before ako mag-start, please do check out the unboxing of Gel Kendrick sa kanyang channel, and yung mga ibang namin kasama na sa SM, please do check their video as well. I'm gonna link their YouTube channel on the description box below. So si Fredu, hi, say hi Fredu. Hawak-hawak niyo yung Samsung A80, and today we're going to take pictures within the store, and let's go! Anong unahin natin, Fredu? Saan tayo? Okay, so the first area na magpipicture tayo is in the matte area. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga skills and specs ng Samsung sa photo. Yes! So, ayun guys, tapos tayo sa first natin area. Ayun yung result. So, second area. Saan tayo second area? Okay, our second area is the Samsung Blue-ish. Tapos tayo sa second area, parang normal lang siya. Yung first area kasi natin, parang wide siya na shot, and naganda na ako sa picture. Let's see if mapupulot natin yung third area. Sa third area natin, makikita mo talaga yung gaano ka wide yung makukuha ng Samsung. So, if you're petite, ganon, na if you wanna look tall, then this is really a good phone for you. You can buy the phone for 34,990 pesos only, and you can pay through credit card for selected banks only. O, diba? So guys, nag-set up tayo ng chair sa white wall. Ay, yun na si Neil! Hi sis! Subscribe to Neil Gonzalez, and of course, Gel Kendrick. Yes, darling, subscribe to Gel Kendrick. So, umana, photoshoot ito sa fourth tanga area. Guys, ito yung fifth area natin. Sa ilalim ng table. Sa ilalim ng... Walay. Tiyan mo na, nag-tour na tad sa Samsung store. Actually, ay hala, may last pa ko galing nga challenge. Sundon ta ang apat nga poses ng Blackpink sa drill lang na yun nga area. And then, yeah, ma-end na nga muna nga vlog na yun. Okay, so let's go! So guys, that ends our vlog, our photo challenge. So please do check out the Samsung store here in Ayala. It's located at the 3rd floor. Basta pag-akyat mo pala ng escalator, makikita mo na yung Samsung store. So that's all for now. Please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell button so that you will be notified in all of my videos. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you like Samsung A80, and comment down below if ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mong pictures ating photo challenge today. Okay? So, that's all for now. See you in my next vlog. Bakit tayo peach? See you in my next vlog.
Let's kill this love. Yeah.